Terry at Fred Anderson Honda, and today I am showcasing for you the 2025 Honda Odyssey EXL. It's coming to you in the modern steel, or another fancy word for gray, and it has the light gray ash leather interior. Ooh la la. It's very nice, and I know you're going to love it. The Honda Odyssey just keeps going and going, and really, it doesn't really have any competitors in today's market, mainly because nothing out there compares to it, especially as it pertains to the interior cargo space. When you're looking at its closest competitor, it's at least 55 or not more cubic square feet less than the Honda Odyssey. And the EXL gives you so many extras on top of that. Coming at you head on, you're going to see firsthand the LED headlights, fog lights, the very well coordinated and updated front grille with the iconic Honda logo. And look at the new design on the alloy rim that Honda's put out for this EXL, wrapped in a nice all-season radial Bridgestone tire. Looking mighty fine right there, let me tell you. These happen to be 235 R60 18-inch rims and tires, so you got plenty of tire life and tread. Notice the mud guards on the bottom, and turn signal indicators, helping you with that traffic coming at you, knowing if you're turning left or right. You have the keyless remote and the keyless access into the vehicle, which makes it for a very safe entrance, where you don't have to worry about anyone coming in on the other side. On the inside, the nice soft touch leather interior, power windows, power door locks, power side mirrors, all at your fingertips. Memory seats for 2 drivers and 2 key fobs coming at you on the leather interior. You got your power seat with lumbar support. All of your easy to touch and reach control buttons for all the doors opening and closing. And let me tell you, it makes life so easy and convenient when all you got to do is push and hold the button for the tailgate, and you can let everybody in. Look at that. Pretty fancy. Coming inside, you got your volume controls, your Honda safety suite of features, lane departure, lane keeping, distance pacing, collision mitigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless connection and charging. And look how comfortable these seats are. Armrests, heated seats, and a power moonroof. Seating in the second row is designed for 3 people. That center seat does come out. I'll configure that for you here in just a second. But you also have at your disposal USB-C connection and cup holders. Right here, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to take the center seat out. As you can see here, there's a strap on the bottom and here on the side. You just simply lift back, lift up on the front, and it's out. You can set that off on the side. And easily slide it out and store it away in the back. Coming in the rear, you have your power key fobs. Simply hold it down, it will open up for you. And look at that view. Seating for up to 8 people. Plenty of storage in the back cargo area. And some tuck away zones in the rear. Those always come in handy. And when those seats are up, in the third row, each of the passengers on the sides have a air vent and cup holders. Just a couple things to review with you that are very important for you to do when you're setting up your phone. First of all is go to Honda link on your phone in your Play Store and download the free app. Once you've done that, you'll need to set up your own account with your username and password. Follow the prompts that will direct you on how to set that up properly. And once you get all of that set up, you'll be able to set up the vehicle on service appointments and any other things like remote concierge and security subscription services. If you want to add that, you do get a 30-day free trials on those. If you want to continue those after that, it does cost to do that. But mostly it's free for connecting your vehicle to Honda. That way, if there are any recalls or any information about your specific Odyssey, it'll come directly to your phone and your email address. And other general settings and vehicle settings, you can just simply tap that button and go in here and do your own adjustments. Another nice feature is your walkaway auto lock. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on for you. I don't know many people that don't like that. The nice feature on that is once you get out and shut the door, the car will automatically lock for you. And when you walk about 5 feet away, it'll beep and remind you that it has locked for you. Once you set up your phone, you simply go to Bluetooth and connect your device. And once your device is connected, you should be able to just lay your phone down right there on the charge pad, and either your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay program should open up for you on the main screen and allow you to utilize your Google Maps and any other apps that will upload from your phone onto the screen. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call directly. I'm usually pretty good at walking people through it over the phone, and I can help you set this up when you're sitting in your vehicle. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm always here to answer questions. If you like this review on the Honda Odyssey EXL 2025 version, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Keep it going. And if you have any comments, please put them in there. We love the back and forth. And again, this is Terry Hatfield Markham, aka Honda Terry C, coming at you from Fred Anderson Honda. We are the #1 Honda dealer in the state of South Carolina. No one ever comes close. It is what it is. You have a great day.